Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day 8 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Messy Art. And our prompt today is neutral. So I've got some kind of neutral papers. I do have a little bit of pop of color here, but some of it will be covered up. But I think even with neutrals, you need just a little bit of something to set it off. And I've got this beautiful image that came from Louisa Heinzel. I love these images. They make me so happy. So I'm just going to let the music go up, and I'm going to speed it up and let you watch what I do. And I'll be back at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we are. We've got our neutral, and I really love how it turned out. I actually splattered with copper instead of gold. I just thought that would be a little different, and I really like how it turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Meg and Get Messy's Arts channels. And be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January and Junk Journal January 2024. So until next time, bye y'all.